Please subscribe to our channel. For latest updates, don't forget to press the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to Piping Official. In this video, we will learn how to draw piping rolling isometric drawing. Before we start, we have to familiar with the directions. This is north direction. This is south, west, east, up and down. Generally, we can see only north direction in all the isometrics. Let's start with the horizontal rolling isometric. In this drawing, the line is going from west to east. Then come to the hedge. This hedge shows the horizontal line, which means the line is rolling horizontally. We have to familiar that which direction the hedge line is going. Let's check with the direction. It is going from north to south 800 mm and then west to east 800. So the pipe will come between south and east. This area is called rolling area. If both lengths are same, that means these two elbow will be 45 degree. If not, then elbow angle will be different. And again the pipe is going from west to east. Let's come to the vertical rolling isometric. This line is going from east to west. This hash shows the vertical line. It means the line is rolling vertically. Let's check the direction. It is showing that the line is going from up to down 500 mm and then east to west 500 mm. As I said earlier, if the both lengths are same, that means these two elbow will be 45 degree. If not, then elbow angle will be different. Then the line going from east to west. And the last one is double rolling isometric. This isometric roll both the rolling area, horizontal and vertical. As you can see, the line is going from south to north, then come to the rolling area. It starts with east to west 500, then south to north, and then down to up. So the connecting pipe is rolling area. Then the line is going from south to north. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.